Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, power cycle the Wii and keep the nunchuck connected. Open the connector boot and inspect the plug. Dust or a bent pin is the most common cause. Once done, wiggle the cable gently while watching controller input. Make sure to test another known good nunchuck or swap ports to isolate the fault. If the problem stays, note whether disconnects occur during movement or at rest, because that tells you if it's a loose contact or internal wire break. Once you've isolated the issue, proceed to open the nunchuck carefully, remove 4 screws and lift the board while noting ribbon orientation and connector clips. Careful handling avoids new damage. Then inspect solder joints near the connector and joystick. If you see hairline cracks, reflow them with a fine-tip soldering iron and a small amount of flux. Next, check cable continuity with a multimeter across ground, data, and clock lines. Make sure to flex the cable while testing to find intermittent breaks. Finish by reassembling the unit. Align the PCB in its housing, reseat any foam or pad, and tighten screws evenly. Test the nunchuck in the Wii menu before fully securing it. If continuity tests failed or reflow didn't help, replace the cable or donor board. The replacement cost is low and fixes most intermittent disconnects. If you still see random drops, make sure the Wii port is clean and stable. Intermittent faults are usually the cable, not the software, so
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.